Hey there, quick review on this 40-liter duffel bag by Carhartt. Very durable material. As you can see here, it also comes with a pouch that you can carry the bag around in. Let's go ahead and pull this out and show you what it looks like. As you'd expect with the Carhartt name, this is a very rugged bag, very durable materials. All the stitching is excellent and it feels very heavy duty. It'll handle weight just fine, and the material is going to be very durable even if you're throwing heavy stuff inside of it. Not a lot of bells and whistles on this bag in terms of pockets. You've got one zippered pocket on the front here. You can see not overly huge, but enough you can throw a phone, wallet, etc. in there. All the zippers are high quality. You've got your standard handle here and then a nice padded shoulder strap as well. The shoulder strap's got good padding and kind of a rubbery material on here, so you can throw that over your shoulder without it slipping around. Now, if you don't want to keep the bag stored in the pouch that it comes in, you can also use this pouch for storage as well. It's a nice heavy duty pouch with a hanger here and then a cinch strap over the top of that for throwing contents inside the bag. The clips on the ends are made of plastic. They do pivot. You can put those on and off if you want. I will say I'd prefer if these were metal, but given the size of this bag and the likely amount of weight that most people are going to use in this, I think the plastic clips are appropriately sized and going to be just fine as far as carrying the weight goes. Zipper, high quality material. Now this material is somewhat waterproof. If you're getting rain on it, it's designed so that the rain will beat up on the outside and just roll off of it. On the inside, you do have another, a little bit more waterproof style material. It's kind of got a rubbery feel. So if you are getting some light moisture on the bag, your contents inside are going to be just fine. Overall, if you're looking for a nice heavy duty duffel bag with the Carhartt name, this is going to be a great option. Comfortable to carry around, nice mid-sized bag. It's what I would expect from Carhartt. I don't have a problem recommending it if you're looking for a nice heavy duty duffel.